Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Dr. Pratibha. Today I just want to share about something that changed my perspective about manifestation. The divine feminine and divine masculine energy. That is knowing when to rest and receive and also knowing when to take action. See, balancing these energies, two energies, is where the secret lies because that's where creation happens. When both of these energies come together, when they are in balanced states, they create something that is meaningful, that is purposeful. That's how manifestation is brought upon. If you're confused about when to take rest and when to take action, this video is going to ground you deeply. Let's see how. We are taught that we have to either just hustle or just surrender. But both of these energies, the divine feminine and divine masculine, are needed. Because manifestation is a sacred dance between these two energies. They have to be balanced enough to create something. And divine feminine and masculine resides within all of us, regardless of gender. And divine masculine in us, it wants to take action. It moves with clarity. It creates structure. Whereas divine feminine is all about flowing, listening, receiving, and feeling. Both of these energies are needed, especially to manifest something as precious as life goals, right? In yoga philosophy, we have these three main nadis: Ida Nadi, Pingala Nadi, and Sushmana Nadi. Nadis are nothing but subtle energy channels. And why am I telling you all of this? Because it's important to know about the language of the universe, which is frequency, energy, right? And Ida Nadi is present on the left side of our body. Okay. Again, all of these three nadis are present in all of us. Okay. And Ida Nadi is on the left side. It is feminine, it is lunar, it is cooling. Whereas Pingala Nadi is masculine energy, it is activating energy, it is solar energy. When both of these energies are in harmony, they spiral up the spine. Okay, they run through the spine and they intersect as chakras. You might have heard about chakras if you know about yoga. So when they are in disharmony, that's when the energy gets scattered because there is no proper balance and our manifestation gets delayed. Because there is another one nadi called Sushmana Nadi, which is the central channel. And that's where true alignment and manifestation happens. Only when Ida Nadi and Pingala Nadi are balanced, Sushmana Nadi can activate and it can manifest. It can manifest your desires. So, if you're wondering when to actually take any action towards your goals or when to just chill, just reflect on what you're feeling because your feelings, they signpost our needs and wants, right? When you're feeling depleted, it's time to take rest, restore, and receive divine feminine energy. Are you beaming with clarity and insights and ideas? That means your divine masculine is getting activated. It's time to take aligned action towards your goals. So both of these states are needed. I hope you understand. So if you only stay in rest, nothing moves. And if you are always hustling, you will either burn out or just manifest from misalignment. So it's important to flow between these two states, tune into our body, trusting the cycles of your life, because that's when your Sushmana Nadi is going to get activated and that's when manifestation is going to come through with ease and power. Your dream life doesn't come from pushing too hard or just waiting forever. It comes from balance, from listening and then moving, from resting and then rising. Honor both of these energies within you and watch the magic unfold. See you all in the next video. Bye.